Yazing me lelane, and I'm just thinking. I've been looking at a lot of social media posts and comments and stuff about what the mother of my child has been saying. So, okokuqala, Kelly, Nonhlanhla, ngifake ibuku ukuthi because I understand what you're trying to do. Ngizama ukuyibhekisisa kahle, ngizama ukuyibuka kahle, ngibone into lezama ukuyenza. But firstly, I'd like to thank you for raising up my boy at a time that I couldn't, when I was locked up. I'd like to thank you for being a great mother, Guye. And I'd like to thank you for being present when I was not there and when I was still trying to get up on my feet. However, I don't like lento le uyenzayo. Don't do that and lie about me and assassinate my character. Bese ngibangele ukuthi unyaka ngaphela ungathi shoot this, shoot that, shoot this, shoot that. Yabo? Stop it. Angithanda things. Don't do it. I shoot this, stop it. Mhlandla. Yekela lento le ukuthi mawubheke uboy uthi ukhumbuza mina. So bigger boy with anger. What do you think my son is thinking when he grows up and starts looking at the videos that you've been making, talking about his father like that and blah blah and blah blah? Angifuna ukukhuluma okuningi and whatnot. Kelly, you and I both know what court is like. It's just understood ukuthi yababa, yabanda, it's hard for the bosoms, yabo? So I don't want to be putting my boy through that. Going to court, afana no mama no baba going to court. I don't want to do that. You know how many times I've tried to get a hold of you to try and get Uboy. Number two, you know how many times your sister Ukumete and your mother have been trying to talk about indaba yokuthi Uboy sikehlangane aze ngibe the freedom yokuthi ngibone Uboy. Angazi why ulokubambezele uboy umfake ebhodleleni ngathi AI umcontroller nje ngathi ubheka uChristians usebhodleleni. Ngiyakela ukwenza ingane yami iAI. Stop it, man. Stop it. It's not nice, it's not fair.
You know, bazala bamzitho kuko konke uJubjuba kushilo ne. I like the fact that uyabonga ukuthi uKelly uyanakekela umntana wakhe and he is giving Kelly her flowers of being the best mom in the world. I just love that. I don't know who is lying between both of them because I've once heard Kelly on one of the podcast interview ukuthi uJubjub doesn't make any effort. Yeah, and she even went to a stand ukuthi akhulume nobaba kaJubjub ukuthi akhulume noJubjub ukuthi at least abe khona empilweni yomntwana. But indaba yakhona phela emoyeni because it felt like uyoba foster ukuthi uJubjub abo baba empilweni yomntanakhe. But now uJubjub uza nesinye story. Kelly is the one who doesn't want him to see umntanakhe. Kelly is the one othi akafuni ukuthi uJubjub abe nama dates nomntana and he doesn't want ukuthi at least he doesn't want umntana ahlale naye, but all he's asking for ukuthi at least abe nayo leyo one day maybe a month ngengane yakhe. But I'll tell you one thing, mina ngabo baba bayenza so. Yabona le nto ayenzela ngabe ubhala incwadi ayithumela kubo Kelly. I do not believe uJubjub and I feel like uJubjub gibo banemali. You know that Mama Jubjub is one of the people abanemali. So I think they can take Kelly to court and baba just to fight as a father for ama rights, right yakho ukuthi ube impilweni yomntanakho. The story showing spy, do not run a lie. Because if he really tries the court thing, iphelelepi. It could concluding ngokuthini. So if you really want to be part of impilo mntaka, I know ukuthi paying a lawyer is very expensive, guys, but there's nothing expensive than ukuthi spend isikhathi nomntanakho. There's nothing more expensive ukuthi iminyaka ihambe ungaboni umntanakho. And I understand his pain if he's really doing that ukuthi every day esikolweni ame-18 or the makanamanesikhathi esikoleni ame-18 abheke umntanakhe akhula. That is how he gets to see umntwana. You understand? And if umntwana uza na those soccer boots endlini, let me tell you one thing for free, Chup. Ukhele uyazi those soccer boots zithenga uwe. Uyazi, because I don't think ukuthi umntwana ngeza nama-soccer boots endlini then ukhele athula ngabuza ukuthi ayibo ingqathiwe lezi sozithengele ubani. I think umntwana usho ukuthi no baba wami ungithengele, then ukhele wathi okay sharp or whatever she said. But if she really wanted to fight bekazolwa way before. You saying ask him ukuthi lawo ma-soccer boots wathathephi, no. uChristian sesemncane use-primary. I don't think ukuthi angaba nesibindi sokuthi every day afihla ama-soccer boots, no. I just feel like just because now you need umntwana ulethe ukheli to the socials, and you knowing that you have ama-fans amaningi ne-following iningi, you feel as if you have the right to saying ama-fans wami azoku-attack-a, ama-followers wami azoku-attack-a, no. And I don't think ukuthi it is fair for ukheli ukuthi wena uthumela ama-fans wakho ukuthi attack umuntu okukhulisela ingane. Okay, let's just say awufuni ukubona ukheli akafuni ukubona ingane. Why don't you maintain ingane financially? Why don't you go to school and pay for school fees ingane? As uwashile amagama kakheli, I think you know amagama engane yakho. So why don't you go to school and pay for school fees makabhadala kuthiwa no umuntu esobhadalile? Why don't you do that? Why don't you do that? Why don't you send imali kubokheli ufike uthi no, all I want ukuthi ngisendele umntana wami into? And why don't you show us those receipts? Because Ukhele has been saying you're a deadbeat father. You respond today, then you're saying you have receipts. Show us the receipts so that we can believe you. But I do not believe Chup. I do not want to lie. And I do believe Ukhele Matu Chup is a deadbeat father. Because I think umntana kaKhele no Chup una 14, 13. I'm not sure. Somewhere there. How that 14 secondary phela? I think 13. I do know ukuthi wakasenzo neKhele engathi una 10. So lo mhlawumbe una 13 if not 14. So he's still young. You still have a chance ukuthi ulungise relationship yakho nengane yakho, and always know ukuthi whatever you are doing, you do not hurt Ukhele, but you are hurting your son, because I do not think ukuthi Ukhele is financially struggling to maintain ingane yakhe, but ingane uyayidinga, especially boy child, uyamdinga babakhe, uyamdinga ukuthi akhule nobabakhe, akhule neyalo kwababakhe. And as now usho ukuthi Ukhele mhlambe unama anger issues, and with all the things, with the sense of Meyiwa case and what, I think Ukhele now is going through a lot. Umntanakho and ukhuliswa umzali who is going through a lot. Sometimes it's not nice, guys. Sometimes it's not nice. So you as a father and as a present father, as you want to be a present father, I think the best thing you can do is to be empilweni umntanakho, and umntanakho at least abe ne-parent one right. Yabo, mangithi right, I'm saying engana stress, engana into eningi that the parent is going through them. You understand? So you Chup, you need to do better. You need to man up and do the things the right way, guys. You have money to take Ukhele to court and fight for Amarel Twako as a parent. Coming to social media won't help you with anything. But Wazamzito, you can comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda kuya nokubuya.